Hi, everybody. My name is Kelly Pieski, and I'm the Assistant Director of Admissions for Oregon State University. And today, I'd like to tell you a little bit about Beaver Nation. Oregon State is located in Corvallis, Oregon, which is the quintessential college town. Corvallis is consistently ranked as being one of the top college towns in the nation, as well as being one of the safest and friendliest college towns as well. So it's definitely a great place to live and learn for those 4 years that you're in college. We're located about 90 miles south of Portland and about 30 miles away from both the coast and the Cascade Mountains. So we have proximity to both big cities and just a lot of great outdoor space that the beautiful Pacific Northwest has to offer. Now, bringing it back to campus, we offer over 400 clubs and organizations for students to be a part of, whether it's club or intramural sports, Greek life, student government, academic, or recreational clubs. There's a wide variety of different interests that you can pursue outside of the classroom. Now, when it comes to athletics, we have 16 different Division I sports. We play in the Pac-12 conference, Go Beavs, and game days on campus are just an absolute blast. And the best part about this is that students get those home game tickets for free. So that's definitely something you're going to want to check out at Beaver Nation. I'd like to switch gears right now and talk about the different research opportunities available for our students at OSU. And I would like to start off by saying that we are the premier research institution for the state of Oregon. Last year, we received just shy of $440 million in research funding. We're also one of only 2 institutions in the entire nation to hold all 4 federally funded grants. So we are a land, sun, sea, and space grant institution. What that means to you as an undergraduate student is there is research funding coming in for all different academic interests that is helping to fund undergraduate research. And you really do get to get involved in research opportunities at that undergraduate level, really for all 4 years. So if that's something that you're interested in, there's definitely different ways to get involved in that. And that's so invaluable to your undergraduate experience. And then if you would also like to participate in study abroad, we do study abroad in over 200 different programs in over 70 countries. So there's definitely different ways to get that global learning experience as well. Programs, we offer over 200 academic programs in 9 different colleges. So we are really well known for programs in the environmental sciences, ag sciences, engineering, forestry, but we have great programs throughout all different fields, really. And if you don't know what you want to major in, that is also okay. We have a university exploratory studies program that will really help you find your major and the best fit for you. But there's lots of different ways to pursue your major at OSU. Something I really want to highlight is that we have 0 impacted majors. So regardless of which major you end up pursuing, or if you're coming in as undecided, then your application will be reviewed exactly the same. There's no additional admission requirements for any of our students, for any of our majors. And you really are able to get those classes that you need in order to graduate within 4 years. So speaking of admission requirements, we employ a holistic admission approach to our application review process. So we are looking at a wide range of criteria, mainly being the strength of curriculum. So what types of classes have you been taking? Have you been challenging yourself? And then academic performance, how have you been performing in those classes, the grades that you've received. And then we also have a part of our application called the Insight Resume, where we ask you 6 short answer questions on things that help gauge your interest and your abilities beyond what your transcripts can tell us. And then some exciting news for students graduating in 2021 and beyond. We are now test optional. So you no longer have to submit those standardized tests. If you take them and you believe that your standardized test score will help you in the admissions process, you are welcome to still submit those scores, but they are no longer necessary. And then real quickly, I wanted to end on scholarships. We do offer merit-based scholarships for students. The biggest takeaway that I would really like to add here is that 94% of newly admitted California students for the fall 2020 term were awarded scholarships. So the best way for you to get scholarships is to get your application into us on time. Some of the scholarships are going to look at your application for admission, and then we also have a separate scholarship application. So you're going to want to get your admissions application in by that early action deadline, and then apply through the OSU Scholar Dollars by February 1st. And that way you are in the best position to get the scholarships that you may be eligible for. Okay, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to one of the 2 of us. Have a great day and go Beavs.